Hello everyone, welcome to Qondle Technology. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to write emails with ChatGPT in seconds. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Qondle Technology. So let's get started. Writing emails doesn't have to be time consuming. With ChatGPT, you can quickly draft professional and personalized email in just seconds. So here I'm gonna show you step by steps that how you can write emails with ChatGPT with 3 points and example prompts. So let's go. Number 1. Quickly generate email templates. ChatGPT can help you craft email templates for various situations, from professional inquiries to casual communication, saving you time. Example prompt: create a professional email template for following up after a job interview. Let's see the answer. The next one, number 2. Personalized emails for different recipients. Here, you can customize your emails for different audience, including colleagues, clients, or friends by specifying the tone and style you need. Example prompt: write a friendly email to a colleague thanking them for their help on a recent project. Let's check the answer. ChatGPT will provide you the best answer. And the last one, number 3. Perfect your email tone and clarity. Here you have to ensure that your emails comes across in the right tone, whether formal, casual, or somewhere in between, by refining your message for clarity and professionalism. Example prompt: rewrite this email to sound more polite and professional. I need this done by tomorrow, thanks. Let's see the answer. So, this approach provides comprehensive and easy to understand breakdown of how ChatGPT can assist in quickly generating effective emails for any situation. I hope you like this video. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.